Overwhelmed by that Sam's Club shopping spree? No worries. Let's break down how to use Affirm to make those payments manageable. First, head over to samsclub.com or open your Sam's Club app. Make sure you're logged in. Start shopping, and everything you need to your cart, just like you normally would. Once you're done, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. Now, in the payment options, you should see Affirm listed as a choice. Select Affirm as your payment method. Click on the Affirm option to proceed with your order. This redirects you to Affirm. You'll be prompted to create an Affirm account or log in if you already have one. Follow the steps to apply for a loan with Affirm. You will need to provide some personal information. Once approved, you'll see different payment plan options with varying interest rates. Choose the plan that works best for your budget. Review your chosen plan, confirm your purchase, and boom! You've successfully used Affirm at Sam's Club. Now enjoy your goodies with manageable payments.